unboxing video. I'm so excited because I actually got something brand new and it's LOL surprise. And I love LOLs. They're literally amazing. Let's get right to this toy. I got the LOL surprise present surprise. It's like a little bag. Ooh, I went shopping and I got a present. I'm excited. So you get 8 things and that's what it's like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These dolls are adorable. Do you see that? That's so cute. And it has a little bow. That's one of my favorite parts on the packaging. And I want her. She's really cute. Or her. This is just like, I want all of them. They're honestly so pretty. Or her, oh, her hair is beautiful. Okay, we need to get right into opening because I'm not trying to spend or waste any more time. There we go. I gotta open it from the bottom. I thought you just like pop it open, but oh, it is like a present. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute. It says 2021 and then it has this. So I think you can pop yes you can. So you can pop it out and then you pop this little thing out so they can hold it. And then you can pop the eyes out too, which is really cool. And then you can see this other one that pop out the hole so they can hold it. And they can just be
that's
like,
really cute.
I know, right? Just be like, woo.
Okay, good. I'm excited. Let's see what else is in there.
Ooh, we got a surprise. Let's see. This is so cute.
It looks like a racetrack.
It does. Like this part. It does look like a racetrack. It's super cool. It also looks like racetrack checkers, kind of. Super adorable. I love the gold top.
I'm gonna pick the next one.
Yeah. I was literally about to tell you that. Hey, great minds think alike. Oh my goodness. Wait.
Do you think she's on the box? I'm trying to see. Nope, she's not on the box.
Oh, well that's good. Because I don't like, I don't like to see the dolls. I like it to be a surprise.
Well, we're gonna tell them which one we got, so.
Yeah. She's up here
These
trying
are
to figure
actually,
it out.
These are cuter than the holiday ones. Remember the present for holiday?
Yeah, I think it is. I also like how it's like in an actual bag.
Oh my gosh, that's cute.
This is an adorable outfit. I love the top. With especially the gold belt. I think she's in this bag. We'll save that for last.
Okay.
Look in there. You get to pick. See? Oh my goodness!
Music?
No. Is it music? Maybe music? Or is it makeup? It's makeup!
Oh I thought it was CDs.
I thought that too. When it's like closed, it does look like CDs. Oh my goodness, it's little makeup case. It's so cute. I love it. Which color would you use out of here?
Both.
I think I would use that like silvery glittery color and the pink and blue. And the glittery pink.
Let's peek in here, see what else we got.
And then you get to pick out the last one.
How am I gonna pick out the last one when it is the last one? I don't get to pick out, I just get to take it out.
Yeah. It's a hair dryer. Dry her hair. It's a cool design. I wish I had this hair dryer in real life. Don't you? Okay, let's see. Pour it out. Oh, we got a clue. Can you figure it out? I don't know, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you can figure it out.
Party dress.
Oh, you got it! But it is party dress. These are stickers, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little hack. So with these, since they're stickers, I have the big LOL cases, and I like to put it on there. So every one I get, I save it and I put it on the case. Okay, we're not gonna look at the checklist because that's just gonna give it away. and then it's not gonna be fun.
Oh, those are pretty.
Oh, I'm speechless. Those are so glittery and gold.
Cute.
They're adorable. I wish these would fit on my feet. My feet are probably too big.
Alrighty, time for the big ones.
One. You guys get sneak peek. I'm not looking.
Oh my god. Keep going.
What is
She
it?
is really cute.
Oh my goodness.
She reminds you of that one Bonbon doll. Except her hair is golden out from all the colors.
No, Mommy Bonbon has the buns. She reminds me of this other doll. You know that one with the bow? Except her hair's like pink.
Alrighty, let's get our checklist so that we can see which one we got.
Yeah.
Go ahead and open it.
Wait, we got Countdown BB. Countdown BB. Wait,
Is she a rare?
She has a diamond. Oh.
Alright, open it up.
No. She's a popular.
Alrighty, I guess this is all the dolls.
I think that's just like some of them. Oh yeah, this is all the dolls.
So this is the one that
Oh,
we
I
got.
want her.
And this one is really cute.
Yeah, I like her. So we got popular because you can see the diamond, and then we match it up here. It's a popular.
Hey, at least it's not just a basic one. Well, basically it is, because on here, that's the least one.
Yeah. All right.
Let's see which ones are rare so that we can...
This one, no, she's not rare. She's rare.
Where is...
She's
Ultra is a heart.
rare, and then she's ultra rare. She's rare, and yeah. So there's only like a few.
This one is really cute.
It's the ultra rare one, and then these two are just rare.
And I do believe that this doll comes with a water surprise, so we're gonna go ahead and show that off as well.
Okay, so we got a bowl with ice, and how we know that she is a color changer. So this is the color change symbol, and then there's the spit, the cry, the tinkle, and then the cry.
Yes.
And then right here, next, like under the diamond, it has the color change symbol, which
So
is
she's
right
the
here.
Countdown BB.
Yep.
And the reason we didn't get her dressed because we wanted to show the water surprise.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Let's see.
Oh boy. Oh, actually, she's turning like...
Oh my God! It's like she's got a new outfit on.
Her hair does it too! Drop her head in there.
Okay, pick her up.
Oh, she's cold.
Oh my God.
She's so pretty. Look.
That is so cool.
Her hair, hold on, let's dunk it in one more time.
Oh my God.
It fades away really quickly. That's just one thing.
That's really cute.
And then she's like, she has, it's like a print.
Yeah, it looked like she was wearing another outfit.
And then you can just rub it
That is so cute.
off, which is really cool.
What I got here.
The bottle.
And then you can get it.
She's just gonna drink. Oh, you can't. Oh yeah, you can. But where does the water go?
I think she's cold. So
Yeah,
we need
let's
to
get her dressed. Alright. So, here she is, all dressed up. My wonderful mom got her dressed. Isn't she just so pretty and cute?
She's got a blow dryer. That's very cute.
One thing that is a little weird to me is it came with a card that says Happy New Year. And that's a bit weird. Because it's not New Year, it's nowhere close to New
I know.
Year.
I thought it'd say like Happy Day.
Like it does on the box.
Guys?
Well, thank you for that. It's very cold, but also very refreshing.
I thought that would be funny.
Okay, I guess.
Well, here's a little something.
We got another one! Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll see you next one. And I'm gonna go open this.
Let us know if you want her to do another one of these, another dog from this package. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Bye.